Well, let's go get our lunch. Okay, what did mother, what did mom get? Oh. 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 What's wrong with that? Yesterday's fish, my lunch. What's wrong with it? It's burnt. Doesn't really look burnt. I think I'm gonna have some water. May I try it? Go right ahead. Ew! That hurt. I wonder if I can try it. Oh. Oh, sorry. That's alright. May I try it? Go ahead. Oh! I'm so clumsy. Oh, don't worry about it. Go ahead. Be my guest. Ooh, that is burnt. Think I'm gonna stick to my cookie. Oh. I think I'm gonna stick to my dog biscuit. Hey, is that yesterday's lunch? Yep, my lunch. Was it dinner? I don't remember. I think it was lunch, I think. I don't know. Come on, Callie. Come on, bud. Fudge! You're supposed to be with me! Ugh. Well, that was good. Well, mine wasn't always the best. Mine was good. Let's go ahead to class. Yeah. Why don't you go get Kitten? Good idea. Kitten? Kitten? Oh, sis. Hey, do you want to come to my house? think it's time for us to get ready to go, kitten. Oh. Do you want to come over to my house? Okay. There's going to be a bake sale tomorrow. My mom's going to make cheesecake. She might even make an extra for us to eat. Cool. Yeah, she's really good at making cheesecake. And it's really delicious. I can't wait. Come on. Sis, I want to go around home. Wait, kitten! My mom is going to make cheesecake, and, I wonder if Kitten can come over. She might even make an extra for us to eat. Oh, that's why she wants to run home to ask her mom. Oh, wait! Kitten! Oh, dear. Goodbye, Al. Bye. Kitten! Kitten, wait! Kitten! Kitten! Kitten, wait! Kitten, wait! Kitten! 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 Ah, kitten! Kitten! Ah. Come on. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Oh, hi. There's going to be a bake sale tomorrow. And Callie's mom is going to make cheesecake, and she wondered if I could come over, and, her mom might even make an extra cheesecake for us. May I go? Yes, you may. Thank you. Let me take off this. There. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome, honey. Mom, will you make something for the big show? Sure. May I see if Flower can come over? Alright. Thank you. They smell wonderful. Yes, they do. Okay, they're done. Here they are. There you go. What do you mean, there you go? You guys get to try one. Split in half. Cool. Let's see, maybe this one. It smells delicious. Yes, it does. It was delicious, yeah. So what did you think of it? It was good. No more eating them. Something smells good at your house. My mom must have been making some biscuits for the bake sale. Very yummy. Well, I love that cheesecake. Thank you very much, Callie. You're welcome. I had fun. Me too. Bye. Bye. Mom? I'm home. Oh, hi, honey. How was school? Okay. Biscuits. They're for the bake sale. Oh, they smell wonderful. Well, I think I have to get home now. Bye. Bye. Bye, Miss Lori. Bye, Flower. Hope you can come soon again. Thank you. Bye, Flower. Bye, Kitten. Alright, kids. Time for bed. I love you, Kitten. I I love you too, Mom. I love you, Mom. I love you too, honey.